The check engine light is something that would tell you that you're having some kind of fault in your engine or your emissions system, something that you'll want to turn the vehicle off and get inspected. An oil pressure light usually references either too high or too low oil pressure in the engine. A battery light on the dashboard usually references a fault in the alternator or the charging system of the vehicle. When a brake system warning light comes on or check braking system, typically speaking, that's going to mean that you've got low brake fluid. It could mean that you have low brake pads, or that you maybe accidentally left the emergency brake on. So typically speaking, that's not as high on the emergency, but again, something you want to get it checked out as soon as you can. When a coolant light comes on, that usually is a reference that the engine is overheating, and it's something that you'll want to turn the engine off at a safe spot and get it over for service. You don't want to have an engine overheating for too long because you could have some catastrophic damage to the engine. A tire pressure light is something that I'm sure we've all seen at this point. It usually means one or more of your tires is low in air pressure. Pull over, make sure all your tires don't look flat. Go to a local shop and have them check out the air pressure in the tire. A low fuel light, we've all been there. That means put gas in your car. A traction control light will usually come on after you've just lost traction in the vehicle. An ABS light usually is a reference that there's some kind of failure in your ABS system, or you maybe have left on a e-brake. Not as much of an immediate concern, but again, still something you'll want to have checked out at your earliest convenience. I would personally say if the light comes on, there's a problem, get it checked out anyway. But as you learn, and you go through these experiences, you start to realize, like if the check engine light comes on, or if your temperature light comes on, it's time to get that vehicle looked at immediately. Whereas something like, your ABS light comes on, just make sure you didn't leave your e-brake on and make sure that it drives okay. But if you know your vehicle better than anybody, so if it doesn't feel right, get it checked out.